Hello everybody, my name is Tim and today I will present my project OpenChat and the MessageMate.io platform. OpenChat is an open source chat interface, backend and API geared towards AI bot LLM interactions. It is built to be fully self-hostable and compatible with all sorts of either proprietary or non-proprietary services, open source LLM backends and models. It's designed to offer a full ChatGPT-like experience and some on-top features that would be hard to get through a model that's just available through an API. There are many open source AI chat interfaces out there, but OpenChat has a little bit of a different take or approach to handle AI interactions and experiences. But first, let's check out OpenChat. So you log in and you are greeted with a normal AI chat interface. But as you can see already, it's compatible with any OpenAI schema compatible AI backend. For example, here I've deployed it with Grok, Deep Infra, or the normal OpenAPI models. You can type and generate a response how you know normally. The model gives you all the loading states and everything and streams the response, like any other backend. So why is OpenChat different then? OpenChat's backend itself isn't really AI backend at all. It's just a chat and WebSocket backend, and it can also be used as just a chat backend. So the twist is that any bot is just like a regular user authenticating with the server and then listening to a certain WebSocket channel and interacting based on certain messages. So the whole logic the bot operates with is encapsulated in the bot itself and is not run by the backend itself. Thus, we can get full user encapsulation and connect any amounts of bots serving any purpose. For example, I can have a bot running on a Raspberry Pi connected to my light strip to control the lights, and I can have a bot running on a different machine connected to a GPU in my home running my models, and then I can have a management bot that can access both of the bots to control my lights at home when I'm at home through speech, or through my phone when I'm away and just use the interface through a proxy that I deployed. So in order to demonstrate how this feature can help to craft better AI experiences, than just making a request to a backend which then streams a response, I've implemented a very early stage audio chat feature, which I'm going to demonstrate now. So I start an audio chat and you can see the bot immediately connects to the audio chat and is now ready to receive through the WebSocket channel audio segments that I stream to it. So now if I start the recording and gave my browser access permissions, of course, it streams the audio segments to the bot, and the bot can in its own process analyze the audio live. For example, now it's checking DBFS levels from the audio and sending it back to my client, so I can display this little speech chart. And now also if I stop talking, it should start recognizing my speech. Now you can see it updated the state that it's in thinking state. And now it's going to annotate my audio. So it's not even doing live annotations, but still pretty fast.
It seems like you were explaining a functionality that involves real-time speech recognition and audio analysis.
And the same way, the bot can stream audio segments back to my browser, which I can then play. So I can get a very seamless speech interaction experience just through a web interface that I can use the same on my phone or anywhere. So I'm making this video to basically publicly announce OpenChat. There's still a lot of development missing in OpenChat, and there's still a lot of bot connectors that should be developed, and there's still guides missing on how you can actually self-deploy it and use it, and probably there's also a bunch of bugs in it. So I'm starting with an official beta release now on beta.messagemate.io. That's going to be closed and limited to 100 users. So if you want to join, send me an email on tim@messagemate.io. And the plan is basically to use that to test and develop the interface and then release all individual bots and everything as they mature in the future, also fully open source. The whole interface and everything is already open source and in the GitHub. You can check out the link in the description. There is just a few of the bots missing that are still in development. And there is, of course, missing good documentation and everything. I generally work full-time for the non-profit Little World, which I co-founded. So I'm only developing on this project in my free time and cannot make any promises on the development speed. But I'm very motivated to help bringing out stuff that lets us run models locally without sending all the data overseas. So I'm gonna develop it in my free time, cannot promise on the speed. But I'm very motivated also to cooperate on parts even that are not open sourced yet. So if you want to help out there, reach out. Or if you want to join the beta, reach out. And that's it from me now. Also let me know if you want to have a more technical explanation of the stack, because it comes with all technical parts, full WebSocket schema, it comes with a Helm chart for deployment, it comes with full Docker setup and everything. And I might also make a video on that. But for today, only a feature demo of OpenChat. So that's it. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Cheers.